Assalamualaikum. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is my oldest son's birthday, and I want to surprise him with some vegan pancake because he follows the vegan diet. And what I'm going to do while they're all sleeping is make some pancakes. So I have some brown sugar. I have 1.5 banana I'm going to use for bonding the mixture because I'm not using any eggs because of him. Then I have cooked sweet carrots. I have star anise essence instead of vanilla. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour in there, and I have 4 teaspoons of baking soda already in it. 2 cups, 4 teaspoons of baking soda. So let's get started. So I'm just not baking soda, I'm sorry, I'm using baking powder, right? Brown sugar, banana, all-purpose flour, carrots, and the essence. Okay, so let's get started. So let's start from mashing the bananas. Actually, I have to go today. In few hours I'm heading to the airport, and I don't want my son to feel like, I forgot that it's his birthday. So that's why I'm trying to surprise him. I'm keeping my voice low. I don't want him to wake up. He usually, when he hears me in the kitchen, he comes to check on me, what I'm doing, and if I'm okay, and then he starts the coffee. So let's start with mashing the bananas. I'm not going to add too much water. I'm going to add a little bit of water and then mix all the ingredients and then just make the pancakes. So I'm hoping bananas are going to hold everything together. Just 1.5 banana. Some sweet carrots. I was hiding them from my husband because if he finds out I have sweet carrots in the house, forget it. He will finish it overnight. So let's add the essence. You can use vanilla if you like, half a teaspoon. This is going to give it a nice fennel taste, सौंफ का टेस्ट आ जाएगा इसके अंदर. मैं उर्दू में भी बता रहा हूँ. ये मैं वीगन पैनकेक बना रही हूँ. 2 कप ऑल पर्पस है, 4 टीस्पून इसमें हमने डाले हैं बेकिंग सोडा के, और 1.5 बनाना डाला है, और 1 कप जो है वो गाजर का, पकी हुई मीठी गाजर डाली है, जिस तरह गाजर का हलवा होता है उस तरह का. और वो जो कि वीगन डाइट को फॉलो करता है, इसलिए मैं ऐसा मिक्सचर बना रही हूँ जिसमें मुझे एग्स ना यूज़ करने पड़े बाइंडिंग के लिए. उसकी जगह पे मैंने केला यूज़ किया. इसकी खुशबू अभी से ही बहुत प्यारी आ रही है. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके वाटर ऐड कर रही हूँ. आई एम एडिंग द वाटर वेरी स्लोली. आई कैन ऑल्सो ऐड कोकोनट मिल्क. दैट विल गिव इट अ वेरी वेरी यम्मी flavor. My arm is always in the way, right guys? Just remember the coconut milk. So I said, okay, let me stop the camera and add a few tablespoons of mixture. Is coming out nice. Let me turn this light on. I don't know if you can see better with the light or without the light, I don't know. So let's just add some of the coconut milk. Oh, it's probably coming out better from this side. Just to give the batter very exotic flavors. That's star anise. No, what is it called? Anise flavor. That's very much like सौंफ की तरह का उसका flavor आता है. That's a little bit of more of the coconut oil, and our mixture is ready. Okay. This is ready. Let's get started. While this is cooking, I'm going to go and start some coffee. और देखो उसके किनारे from the sides you can see it's cooking nicely on very low heat, so I have enough time to go start the coffee. Okay friends, so I'm going to turn the other one. Let me show you this one. You see how nice and crispy it is. This is the brown sugar and the banana has sugars in it too, and the carrots have sugar, so there's a lot of caramelization here, and they're looking nice and pretty. Obviously he's my oldest son, so he deserves the best. Just feast your eyes on that yummy banana carrot pancake. I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm going to hold the plate in my hand, put it here, and just turn it over. So here it is. We picked it up. Going to put it back inside the pan. Let it cook for another few minutes. Okay. And now I have added another one to the equation. You can see that right on top of that first one. I used another one. I'm going to make another one. Alrighty guys, so it's my son's birthday. 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 I'm all by myself making him a nice yummy breakfast. That's carrot and banana pancakes. 3 yummy big fat layers. He will wake up and he will enjoy it. So that's, his name starts with K. So that's why I'm giving him coffee in his mug. And his birthday breakfast is ready. So I'm going to leave the kitchen now. When he comes in, turns the light on, he will be surprised. So I will see you guys later. I have to go get ready for my flight. I'll see you later sometime. Until then, bye bye.